You've been asked to consult and manage a LEED operations and maintenance project. You appreciate the vote of confidence and are determined to do a good job. You want to achieve your LEED O+M accredited professional status. You know there's a lot of information, with the reference guide well over 500 pages. Heat island, light pollution, water reduction, cooling towers, refrigerant management, purchasing, waste management, thermal comfort, daylight and views, pest management, to name a few. Where do you begin? How do you start learning? What information is important? How do you best prepare for the exam, especially with so many different responsibilities you have at the same time? Think of this course as the foundation course on LEED operations and maintenance. We will cover the 6 LEED categories and all the credits. It allows you to master the most important concepts and tools. And this is all condensed in 3 to 4 hours. This LEED foundation course has been designed to enable you to understand all credits and prepare for the exam in the most effective way. And you'll learn from an experienced consultant. We have around 50 lectures, each of them 3 to 8 minutes. And it brings you all the relevant information on the requirements. No nonsense and straight to the point. We'll provide you the intent and the full explanations. This will allow you to pass the O+M exam. And you'll become better than 90% of all business professionals in this particular area. So who is this course for? It's for people who want to learn about LEED O+M. Professionals that have LEED Green Associate, that would be an excellent starting point in terms of experience and knowledge. But also people who are interested in a career in sustainability. Developers, engineers, business entities, architects, and basically anyone interested in learning about LEED operations and maintenance. A bit about myself. My name is Weemaes. I'm the Managing Director of a green building consulting in Malaysia, and before that I was a university teacher in Korea. I'm a project manager, entrepreneur, and I enjoy teaching. I've got an MBA from the London Business School, but that's enough about me. So what will you get out of this course? It will help you prepare yourself for the LEED O+M accredited professional exam. You will deliver projects better, quicker, and avoid common mistakes. You will feel more confident about LEED O+M and how to apply it. As said, we will cover the credits in all of the LEED categories. It will improve your understanding of the concepts such as heat island, light pollution, water reduction, what the requirements are for daylight and views. All the credits will be explained. At the end, there is an assignment with personal feedback to you. My pledge to you. Student first. The first objective is for you to enjoy and learn. I'll never compromise your experience to make money. 24/7 support. You can contact me anytime, any day, and I will get back to you quickly. Humbleness, kindness, and social responsibility. I believe in giving back to you and to the world, so think of me as your coach. And lastly, quality over quantity. I will strive to make this course concise, to the point, and relevant. Time is one of our most valuable assets. Therefore, let's get started. Sign up and welcome to the world of LEED and sustainability, and let's get you ready for the LEED O+M exam.